Well, we got about 6 feet of snow in the backyard so far in that corner. Oh yeah, baby. Hello YouTube, Mountainous here. Here it is, December 25th, Christmas Day, Mount Hood, Oregon, and it's snowing big. The blizzard has just begun. I hope you all are having a Merry Christmas, and I wish you all a Happy New Year. More fun videos are on the way. Stay tuned. If you enjoy my content, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. The Mountainous rig. Oh yeah, baby. Check it out, guys. It's dumping big. There's a dog over there going crazy. Probably because he's a dog and that's all he knows is to bark. I'll tell you what, guys, it's slicker than hell out here. I'm wearing chains on my boots. Whoa! And I can barely walk, it's so slick. It's going to be a lot of accidents today, I'll tell you that. We're definitely walking in a winter wonderland right now. The town is going to get packed today. We're just beginning. Oh yeah, guys, I've been to work an hour and a half. We're not busy yet, but it's about to get crazy. The snow is still coming. It is puking out.
Apocalypse.
Oh yeah, we're living in the year of denial. Infectious insanity. Merry Christmas to Stevie. Check out Stevie. What's up, Stevie? Ha ha ha. That's Ariel's hamster. Hey Ariel, Merry Christmas. I found a Sasquatch. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, G, get it. You're in the YouTube video. Oh yeah, baby, deliver that liquor. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, and have a cup of cheer. I just popped outside of work again. Check it out. It's still snowing big. Look at all those cars. You can see them on both sides of the street. The lifts haven't closed yet. When the lifts close, the town's gonna get flooded. Well guys, that's all I'm going to film today. It's starting to get really busy. I'm going home on my lunch break. I just wanted to give you guys a quick Merry Christmas message and Happy New Year's. Hope you're all staying safe. Oh yeah, baby, we're doing it big. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Mountainous out.